My name is Dr. Calvin Brown, and I'm one of the faculty members of the SI Institute. And I actually have the pleasure of interviewing Dr. Rico DeVito. He's a doctor, is well accomplished, been practicing dentistry for over 40 years. He's the inventor of laser endo, PIPS, which is a patented system. He's been the keynote speaker at the World Endodontic Society for 3 years in a row. He's a teacher and a researcher and a fantastic businessman. And so of all the institutes in the world or places to actually get some continuing education in implant dentistry, he actually chose the Simply Implant Institute. And I think one of the most special things was before I actually got to meet this accomplished clinician, he was interested in learning about sinus bumps. So one of the things we're actually able to do is we're actually able to tailor our course to something specific if that's what you want to do. So Doc, you learned that sinus bump procedure. What did you think about it? I mean, do you think it's something you can implement into your office right away?
Yeah, absolutely. You know, after 40 years and several thousand patients, I've had the opportunity to place quite a few implants. And one of the things that I always felt like I needed a little bit more help on was the actual sinus lift or bump. So a lot of courses talked about placing implants, but not too many were really getting into the sinus bump area. So when I called Dr. Brown and I told him I had interest in coming here, I said, look, I'm versed already in doing implants, always willing to learn more, particularly with new techniques. But in particular, I would like to deal with sinus bumps. And he said, we'll make sure we do that. That's not something we typically do, although we can. And I thought, okay, I'll give it a shot. I came down and I was pleasantly surprised. He not only lined up quite a few sinus bumps for me, but he taught me stem cells, which I've been very excited and involved with. I've been using stem cells for treating craniomandibular disorder and also in my implants and extraction cases. But some of the techniques that he delivered today and showed me are really revolutionary. I think it's going to propel and push all of this regenerative medicine to a whole new height. And I'm really pleased. I'm just very pleased.
Well, thank you, Doctor. I think it's very interesting because when I realized how accomplished Dr. DeVito was, I have to admit, it can sometimes be a challenge when you, as a younger practitioner, but even if you have these skills and you have somebody that's so well traveled, who's been such a fantastic businessman and clinician, and yet we're able to show him something. So, Doc, I wanted to say, listen, thank you very much. You've actually made this course a pleasure.
Oh, it's my pleasure to be here.
Thank you very much.